Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we are going to have a look at this little 3D printer. This one is a really cheap one. It comes in at around 100 bucks, maybe a little cheaper if you're lucky and find it at a good pricing. And it is, I would say, a beginner's 3D printer. If you want to get into 3D printing, try that out yourself and all. This is something you can pick up. And as you can see here, I'm printing a little box right now. I improvise with a material on top here, but it works. There's different ways you can handle that, but for me this works quite well. And right now it's doing the basic setup here, and as you see it's running and doing its thing. And yeah, just so you know, it definitely takes time until your print is done. That's something that is, I don't want to say annoying, but it just takes a little bit. Let me put it that way. But that's fine, and as long as this is flashing, it's running. Down here is where you enter your SD card. That's where the data is stored for your print, and then you just hit the little plus, wait until it's warmed or heated up, and then you just hit the arrow, and then it's going to start to print whatever you have on your SD card ready, prepared for your printer. And yeah, as you see, it's doing the ground right now. That's where it's gonna be printing on. This might, yeah, take a while, as I said, but that's alright. And we will speed up the process in a sec, so you actually get what is going on. And all in all, definitely a pretty decent piece, especially for the pricing. It's definitely fun that you can get this for like 100 bucks, or a little less actually. And as you see, it's building up, it's working. um, just make sure you buy the right material, because I bought some of the cheaper one, and sometimes it gets like these little creases where it's not like closing the gaps completely right. That is my bad though, that's not the fault of the product. Um, that's because I wanted to save a little money. That was probably not the best idea, but for me it's fine. Skipped again a little bit. As you see, it's building up, it's still going, it's doing its thing, and yeah, I think it's amazing. It's fun to watch, it's fun to see how it building. And here's the finished first part of our print. When you're done, you just remove this magnet um, piece here, and then you can take off your print. And let's see. And this is what it looks like when it's built together. These are like 4 pieces in total. You just glue them together. And I did paint a little bit on here, the reds and the blacks. You can buy the colors as well if you want to make it even better, but for me that's completely fine. I can draw there, and I mean, it's not bad to draw on them. You can see it looks decent. And this is the centerpiece or the middle piece for some plants. I'm not sure if I was gonna use that for that. I thought I would use it for school, for my desk, put in some paper clips and all that. But yeah, it's totally up to you. And here's some other stuff I printed for more detail. This is like also a little figurine for plants. It's a Pokemon, and I think it looks pretty decent. Here's another one. As you see, models not a problem at all. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to remove the um, fill pieces, but all in all, pretty straightforward. Here's another one. I think it's looking good, and then afterwards you would have to go over there and remove some of the unwanted material. I haven't done that yet, but I just wanted to show you that it is capable of doing like figurines and all that as well. And as I said, I'm pretty satisfied. I think it looks good, and you can definitely create some cool stuff. The software is pretty straightforward. Mm, yeah, I don't know. I can't complain, and I will leave you with that. So you guys take care. My name is Badger. I'm out. Have a good one until the next video.